Good afternoon, welcome back to Auto Assets. My name is Zach, and here with me today is a 2008 Porsche 911 Turbo Cabriolet. This is finished in a Basalt Black Metallic, and it is a beautiful car. Hopefully after this video, I'll be able to prove it to you. This has been serviced with us for the past several years and with the last two owners. And again, this being an Ohio car, you will notice that the holes in the front bumper are from that front license plate bracket. I know it kills me as well, but that's just how it was there for a while. You'll notice there on the lip, a little bit of scraping there. Getting a little bit of the curb, you know. No big deal. As far as rock chips and things like that, they're very minimal. Most of it, you really have to see it in person because it's just not enough to get on a camera for you. Headlights are in great shape. No yellowing. All right, we'll start up here with the driver front wheel. See the turbo wheels? These are 19-inch. A little bit of a small nick there on the lip. Pretty minimal. And back here to the driver rear wheel, see substantially more curb rash there, just on the very edge, this polished lip. Back here you've got your speed activated rear spoiler system. And back here to the passenger rear wheel, pretty good shape. A few little minor spots here and there, nothing too severe. Calipers are in great shape, nice bright red. There are no dents. And finally up here to the passenger front. It does appear that this wheel has been refinished of some kind previously. And you'll know just by the discoloration there on the lip and the surface, but it still looks really good. And again, you know, this car being about 12 years old, 14 years old I should say, it's in really good shape, fantastic shape. Just a little over 24,000 miles on the odometer, so it was very well maintained. Interior is finished in a natural brown leather. You see your memory settings there for your driver's seat. Power windows and Bose premium audio. These are multi-stage heated front seats. It's been fitted with an aftermarket stereo that has Bluetooth and Apple CarPlay, but no worries, we do have the factory radio for this car. 5-speed automatic Tiptronic S transmission, and you do have the gear selectors there on both sides of the steering wheel. And again, they're just over 24,000 miles on the odometer. So beautiful car, well maintained. Not a lot of these around that you see very often anymore. People are usually holding on to these. All right, folks, if you have any questions about this vehicle, feel free to give us a call anytime, 614-793-1050.